Hello! Today we're making forms and we'll be using choice cards. Let's start off by creating a form and searching for a template, or you can start from scratch. For this video, I'll be creating a payment form and we'll be using custom order checkout template. I'll just fill out the form title and the description. To set up the payments, you need to click the Payments tab and easily configure it. Payments should be enabled, and you can select your desired payment destination. For this video, I'll be using a test Stripe account. Since we'll be using a choice card for a service, you need to configure your items or service here. You'll just input what kind of product or service, the pricing, description, and what kind of item this would be. I'll be creating 2 services for a sample coaching business. Once this is filled out, just click the Next field. Here, you'll be editing what kind of content should be shown in the form. I'll be using choice cards, and you can access it by clicking the Add Questions, then selecting your preferred question. To use choice cards for services or products with purchases, you must select Use these cards as the model picker. To use the choice cards that we set up before in the Payments section, I'll just fill the necessary information and select the checkout item for this specific choice card. Here's the fun part. You can upload an image associated with your product or service.
Now I'll set up my second choice.
Once everything is set,
I'll activate the form.
You can access your form from your form dashboard.
You can perform a variety of functions to your form.
Here, we can see that the services we'd set up are shown. It displays the name of the service, the description, and the image associated with it. Once you've selected your service or product, you can proceed to checkout. That's how easy and fast you can create a form with choice cards.